Hello, this is Jeffrey with Doorstep Publications. We are delighted to be publisher and official distributor of this excellent results-driven ebook, Energize Your Target Audience through Social Media. A super franchise or a mom and pop operation, a commissioned salesperson or a work from home solopreneur. A strategic social media presence is a must. Not a maybe, a necessity. Why? The reality is social media allows you to reach and energize the specific target audience that complements what it is you do. It does not make a difference if your target audience is across the world, across your home country, or even no further than the community you live in. Putting the right social media platform to work for you allows you to strategically target the specific audience you are after. It is a numbers game. The more people you reach online, the better your chances to engage them. Energizing your target audience will lead to more contacts, more referrals, more users, more customers or clients. That, however, can only happen if you develop a dynamic social media following and give your target audience value through content. Quality content is the currency to attract and energize your target audience on social media. The struggle for many small businesses, entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, commissioned salespeople, and networkers is not a presence on social media, but being on too many social media platforms. Today there is a plethora of social media platforms. Each appeals to a different generation, a different demographic, a different follower. Therein lies the challenge. It is difficult for an inexperienced person to select the right one or two social media platforms that will provide the best engaged follower return on investment. The good news is that by actively working through the modules in this course, you will have an opportunity to specifically define who your target audience is. Plus, once knowing who you want to attract, you will learn how to find those people. Attract them into your social following and email lists. You will achieve this by applying proven social media strategy. Energize your target audience through social media is a complete how-to guide. Through a step-by-step process, you will move from the basics through to advanced techniques. You will focus on your goals for growing your audience and increasing your revenue. This is the definitive handbook for anyone who desires to build a strong, focused social media presence. Your investment is much more than words on a page. This is a complete success plan for energizing your business through social media. There are actually 3 books wrapped into this one volume. Book 1, Participant Handbook, approximately 120 pages. Book 2, How to Use this handbook, approximately 31 pages. This section provides step-by-step instructions for you to complete exercises and questionnaires as you go through each phase of the handbook. Book 3, Audience Building Checklist. The 9-page checklist provides a tool to track your progress on the social media platforms you are working. The Participant Handbook is made up of 6 in-depth modules. You start with understanding how to capture engaged followers. Next, You discover the hidden secret about your target audience. From there, you start working the social media platforms, attracting your ideal audience, energizing, engaging, and nurturing relationships, and optimizing growth. The last module, Review and Refine, is exactly what it says. Review the progress to date, then apply the necessary tweaks to make it better. We say last module, but really it is a new beginning. Social media is a powerful tool for both finding your ideal customers and building a relationship with them. That is because no matter who your audience is, they are probably using social media in some way. Energize your target audience through social media teaches you step by step exactly how to reach the gold in your niche. For more information, I have included a link to doorsteppublications.com in the notes. Doorstep Publications is the official distributor of Energize your target audience through social media.